Welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how I get these really cute braids similar to passion twists, but they last so much longer, and in my opinion they look so much better as well. I'm going to start with clean hair. My hair is fully dry and free of products, and I'm going to be using the rubber band method to do this hairstyle, and I'm going to be using a rat tail comb to do my parting. If you're not interested in seeing how I part my hair, feel free to skip to 641. I received a lot of questions about how I parted my hair for my passion twist in my previous video, so I thought I'd show you guys in this one the entire process. To do my partings in the back, I put a mirror in front of me and behind me so that I could see what I'm doing when parting my hair. I'm going to be using these clips to make sure all the hair is put away when I tie my hair into sections with the rubber band. In each parting, I'm going to be applying the Shine and Jam conditioning gel to hold the rubber band and my hair in place. And then I'm pretty much going to be repeating these same steps throughout my whole head. Here is some of the products and tools that I'll be using, but I'll also add them to the description box below. I'm going to be applying some of the Eco Styler gel to my natural hair to get rid of some of the frizz. I'm going to take 3 strands of the Freetress Waterwave hair and I'm going to just adjust them at different lengths. Now I'm going to take the crochet hook and I'm going to be putting it in between the rubber bands and my hair. Then add the Freetress Waterwave hair in the hook and close it. Then you're going to want to pull it through and only pull through one section of the Freetress Waterwave hair. Now I'm going to take the Freetress Waterwave hair and separate them into 3 different parts, and in each part I'm going to be using 2 of the strands. And then I'm going to do the same thing with my natural hair, separate them into 3 different parts and add it to each. Once I have those parts, I'm just going to start braiding all the way down until I reach the end. And I don't apply anything to the ends. This Freetress Waterwave hair secures itself on its own. And that is how I achieved these beautiful passion braids. I hope you all enjoyed watching, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys on the next video.